Hello. If it's Monday morning, it's time for bagels and business for breakfast. I'm Sharon Taylor, founder and CEO of the Business Vision and Development Center. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm here to give you an honest review of Industrial Bank's business banking services. If you're considering opening a business account with this DC area community bank, stick around because I'm going to be sharing the good, the bad, and my personal experience that might surprise you. First, let's talk about Industrial Bank. They're a community bank servicing the Washington, D.C. metro area with a focus on supporting local businesses and underserved communities. They've been around since 1934, so they have deep roots in the area and they're Black owned. But does experience translate to quality service? So let's dive in. Here are the positives I found about industrial banks' business accounts. They genuinely understand local businesses' needs and have programs specifically designed for minority owned and women owned businesses. As a smaller bank, you're more likely to build personal relationships with your banker rather than being just another account number. Loan decisions are often made locally, which can mean faster approvals and more flexibility for unique situations. Their fee structure is generally reasonable compared to larger national banks, especially for smaller businesses. And they offer online and mobile banking with more of the features you'd expect for business accounts. Now for the drawbacks. If you need physical banking outside the DC metro area, you're pretty much out of luck. While they have digital banking, it's not as advanced as what you find at larger banks or fintech companies. This brings me to my personal experience, which highlights a major concern. One, they have fewer advanced cash management and business growth tools compared to larger commercial banks. But here's where they really get concerning. I visited their Washington, D.C. Benning Road Northeast location to inquire about business banking services, and the experience was disappointing. The customer service was poor from the moment I walked in. The staff seemed disinterested and weren't knowledgeable about the business banking tools and services available. When I asked specific questions about cash management services, business credit lines, and merchant services, I got vague answers or was told they'd have to check with someone else. Additionally, the bank manager who finally called me into her office for a chat. Now, mind you, no one was in the branch, but I sat in the waiting area for some time. When she finally called me in and I asked her some questions she couldn't answer, I asked her for her business card. She wrote her name and email address on a sticky. When I asked her what is needed to start a business account, she pulled a sheet of bond paper out of a drawer where the print was barely legible and gave it to me. What really bothered me was that they couldn't properly explain the tools and resources available to business account holders. For a bank that markets itself as business friendly, this was a red flag. I left feeling like I knew less about their services than I did when I walked in. This experience made me question whether their staff is properly trained on business banking products, which is crucial when you're making important financial decisions for your company. Look, industrial bank might work for some businesses, especially if you value community banking and have simple banking needs. However, based on my experience, I'd recommend doing thorough research and maybe visiting multiple locations to see if the service quality is consistent. If you're growing if you're a growing business that needs sophisticated banking tools and knowledgeable support, you might want to compare them with other options in the area. So tell us, what's your experience with community banks versus larger institutions? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this review helped you make a decision, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other business owners who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the BVDC Center YouTube channel for more honest business and financial content. The more resources and business tips, you can check us out at www.thebvdcenter.org or reach out to us at info@thebvdcenter.org. Until next time, keep building your business the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.